In the last few years, it is not only screen technology that has transformed television. From binge watching to live streaming and video on demand, the way we watch television has changed forever. Yet with all the advances in displays and the way content arrives to fill them, there is one element that has not kept pace: the picture processing in between. Before it arrives in our lounge rooms, content is captured, coded, compressed. Signals degrade, data is lost. Uncorrected, these flaws pass straight through to the display. Until now. For the first time, Philips TV has built a picture processor dedicated to the way we watch television today. 5 processors in one. First, the P5 removes visual imperfections such as artifacts, noise, and banding. Smart pixels are then added to upscale standard and HD content to full 4K resolution and show off the picture as it was intended. Unlike most televisions that are limited to mapping color in 10 bits, the P5 applies 17-bit processing for vivid hues and intense saturation. Treating individual parts of the image differently, the P5's local contrast and high dynamic range features breathe new life into the picture while preserving intense blacks. Finally, to overcome camera movement judder, the P5 adds 3 extra frames to each original frame for an incredibly smooth, fluid viewing experience. Introducing the P5 from Philips TV. Picture quality as brilliant as the content you love.